Assalamu alaikum guys. Hopefully you are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can change the menu item colors and background if you are using Elementor plugin. Actually the if we are using Elementor plugin, then we should keep it in our mind that Elementor works in with some templates and widgets. So the main navigation menu used in this website is a saved template used by the web developer. Let me tell you how we can change the menu item colors. First of all, you have to navigate to the saved templates. So scroll down. Here you can see that there are few templates like as home page. It's pre-built templates we are using for our website. And the second one in which we can find the main navigation is the header template. So if we want to change the color of the menu items and the background, we have to navigate to the header templates. Here you can see the header template in editor mode. Just click at it with Elementor. This menu item now should be open in edit mode. Elementor may take a few seconds to open the menu. So here you can see a lot of there are two headers. Our header is here for which we are have to change the items, menu item colors, and actually we are using this header for our website. Just we replace the logo with the logo used for our website. Now let me tell you how you can change the menu item colors and background colors. So here you can see a lot of options. Style, go to the styles, menu wrapper, background color. Here is the menu item style. Here is a color. You can check the color has been replaced. And now what we have to do to replace the background color? Background or hover color. Sub menu item styles. Currently it is white color. Let me tell you how you can change hover color. you can see that on the hover the color has been replaced. Okay, as it is a live website, we have to revert the changes. It's fine. Background type on hover color, classic color. Sub-menu panel styles. Background type. We have to replace on hover. Menu item styles. Menu item hover. That's fine. Menu item background color. This is the menu item text color, and this is background color. What we have to do, we have to change the menu item background color on hover. We have to search for the hover background color change option. Background type classic. It is in fact it is a sub menu panel, so we have to move to sub menu panel styles option. Here you can see the background color on hover. Currently I applied the green color. Now let me show you how you can replace with the color of your choice. So this is basically a technique and the options of styling header item, header template in Elementor Hello theme customization options. Thank you for watching. If you need more help, you can ask in comment. Thank you. See you.